uses opposite and adjacent. I guess TOA is the only one that it fits.
You're right!
Wow!
So, TOA, oh wait. So, that means that we're going to be using tangent of angle theta to find angle theta.
Man, I'm so tan.
Yeah, you are. Okay, so this is going to be 10,000 over 30,000. Okay? And you would do the same thing. So in a calculator, it looks like this, where you put the inverse of it, and then you would do 10,000 over 30,000, which is really 1/3, but I can't do that kind of math in my head. And this is gonna equal 18.43 degrees. That is the degree that you are looking up to see the peak.
Wow.
I know, it's incredible. Okay, B asks, what is the straight line distance from the beach to the peak? Do you know what we would use to find this?
Dan.
No.
Oh, man.
No. We would use the Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagoras.
Yeah. So, because we have a squared and b, well, we have a and b, so we would do 30,000 squared plus 10,000 squared equals c squared. That's not
an E.
That's not an e. It's just a variable.
That's an E.
30,000 squared plus 10,000 squared equals 1 times 10 to the 9th equals c squared. But because c is squared, you have to get the square root to get c. Second square. This would give you 31,622.78 feet. That is the distance from you and the peak.
Wow.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Math. Now I wonder, might you need number 4?
How did you know?
I'm your best friend. Number 4. It reads, an observer 5.2 kilometers from a launch pad observes a missile ascending. What? So the missile is here, right?
Uh-huh.
And the launch pad is down here. And the person, you, is observing.
Wow, I look great.
I know. You're just, I don't know. Just
Thanks.
great. You're welcome. At a particular time, the angle of elevation is 38 degrees. Meaning 34 degrees. Meaning that that is the degree that you are looking up at the missile. Understand?
I understand.
Got it. So A asks, how high is the missile? Which one of the ratios would we use?
That's a good question.
I'm asking you.
You know, I would really prefer for you to answer that for me.
Okay. So we're trying to figure out how high the missile is. X. Do you see it now?
I see it now.
What is it?
TOA.
Oh, it is TOA. Okay. So we're going to find the tangent of angle
34.
Of angle 34, which would equal x, which is the height, over 5.2 kilometers, which is the distance between you and the... Yep. Okay. So we would just do the same thing that we did before by multiplying both sides by 5.2. When you put this in your handy dandy calculator, you get 5.2, 34. You get 3.51 kilometers. Just like that.
Wow.
I know, isn't it incredible? So
Thank
now you know you are 3.51 kilometers up here. B is asking how far is the missile? What? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. 3.51 kilometers. B is asking how far is the missile from you? How do we solve for this?
Toa.
No.
Oh, man.
We would use Pythagorean theorem.
Oh.
Oh.
That boy.
So, 3.51 squared is equal to 12.32 plus 5.2 squared, which is equal to 27.04 equals c squared. When you add these together, you get 39.36 equals c squared. But you have to find the square root because basic algebra. It's a math class. So when you find the square root, you should get 6.27 kilometers. Is that what you got?
No, but that makes so much more sense.
Doesn't it? So this is number 4.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Can we do number 5?
Of course we can do number 5. Okay. Number 5 says, a team is building a zip line through the skyline of Atlanta. They have a 125 feet steel cable for the zip line and have been told the maximum angle of decline can only be 42 degrees. What is the maximum distance the two buildings can be apart? Now what this would look like is this. So this is building 1 and this is building 2. And this is the steel wire. And this is the distance apart. This being the 90-degree angle. And the angle of decline is 42 degrees. This is 125 feet. So, how do you think we will solve for this?
Maybe so.
It's so.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. So what you would do is you would do sine of 42 equals x, which is the distance apart, over 125. And now you would do like we've been doing before and multiply both sides by 125. And this should get you x to equal 83.6 feet.
Wow.
Isn't that nice?
That's so interesting.
So, do you understand trigonometry now?
Oh my gosh, Sophia, that helps so much. Thank you so much. I feel like I finally understand trigonometry.
I'm so happy that you do. You know, I am only here to help.
Wow. Now I know how to do trigonometry. Sophia's a really good student, and she helped me a lot. She obviously knows her stuff about trigonometry. And remember, A+ is an A must. And knows everything possible about trigonometry.
You know, in Maui.
Maui.
Oh God, that's a skinny volcano. Oh God, that's a curvy woman. Okay. All right. So, which one of the functions? Ratios are we gonna use?
It's a bit blooped.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yes.
I think we need to just stop the video and then. Might you need number 5?
Yes, please.
Okay. So number 5 says a team is building a. Wait, Mom. Okay. Great. What?